Hey there, gearheads. Ever hit the brakes and wondered what's actually happening under your car? Today, we're solving the mystery of brake shoes versus brake pads. And trust me, this knowledge could save you hundreds on your next brake job. Before we dive in, quick favor. If you're into car maintenance tips that save you money, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now let's get your brakes sorted out. Section 1, the basics. Here's the thing. Your car doesn't just use one type of brake. It's like having two different tools in your stopping toolbox. Brake pads work like a clamp on a disc. Brake shoes push outward against a drum. Section 2, breaking down brake pads. Think of brake pads like the hand squeezing a spinning plate when you hit that pedal. 1, the caliper acts like your fingers. 2, the pads grip the rotor. 3, and boom, you're stopping. Speaking of brake pads, I found some really reliable ones that won't break the bank. Link in the description if you're interested. Section 3, understanding brake shoes. Now, brake shoes are the old school cousin. They're like a performer pushing against the walls of a drum from the inside. Pretty clever, right? Here's a fun fact. Many modern cars actually use both systems. Mind blown yet? Section 4, the face-off. Let's break down the battle. Stopping power. Pads, the heavyweight champion. Shoes, the reliable backup dancer. Quick intermission. If you're finding this helpful, smash that like button and let me know in the comments which braking system your car uses. By the way, I've linked some amazing brake cleaning products below. Absolute game changers for maintenance. Section 5, cost breakdown. Let's talk money. Pads, $110 to $270 per axle. Shoes, $175 to $320 per axle. Conclusion. Music swells. There you have it, folks. Whether you're team pad or team shoe, regular maintenance is key. Remember, good brakes aren't expensive, they're priceless. Don't forget to check out those product links below. Hit subscribe for more car maintenance tips, and let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next.